IFX Academy's daily analysis on GBP USD, guys. So, guys, I was absent for a few days. Sorry about that. I was traveling. Anyways, guys, for today, as long as we are above 1.31106, guys, we are with the sellers. And my eventual target would be, guys, I have two targets for today. It would be 1.30611, and next one would be, guys, 1.30835. And guys, if you break above 1.31106, guys, we will be seeing 1.31625. So this is all for today, guys. I'm with the sellers. Hope we all make money selling this, and see you guys tomorrow.